Good morning, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. And it is August 21st, 2021. And as promised, I said that we were going to have a focus on not the top 10 cryptos, the Bitcoins, Ethereums, and Cardanos of the world, but on the bottom 10 cryptos in the top 100. Right now, we're going to talk about OMG Network. If you haven't heard about OMG Network, here's your chance. We're going to do a run through of what's going on. What is it? Is it a viable project? Is it worth looking into? Is it something you might want to consider investing in? Now, this is not investment advice, but we are going to do our due diligence and research this thing so that you have a better understanding of what OMG is bringing to the ball game. Let's take a look at OMG Network. We can see right now it's $6.64 for this asset. We can also see that its market cap right now is sitting right now at 935 million 28,000. Oh, what is that? 932,992,254. It's fluctuating on us, and we can also see. Let's look at this graph here. Okay, Kitty, get out the way there. We need everybody to be able to see this. Hold on, Kitty's in the way. All right, maybe we'll just leave that right there. All right, so now we're looking at this. We can see in the good old days. I think that's what we're going to call them from this point forward. The 2017, 2018, 19. We can see that OMG Network got way up here in the $25 range. It was up here at $22.46 back in 2018. That's when Bitcoin, I think, first really exploded. And everybody got to see that there was a new technology that is going to change our infrastructure and our lives forever. And now, post that first bull run cycle, and this new bull run cycle, OMG Network hasn't quite hit the $22 mark. Again, I'll have my price prediction for OMG at the end of this, but I want to focus on what is OMG. If we go here on CoinMarketCap and go to the websites, I want to focus on this first one here, OMG.network. Go to their website and take a look at what it actually is. Let's get this off the screen. Okay, so let's just zoom in a little bit here. Let's have a good look at what this actually is. All right, so when we look at this, it says that OMG Network is building something called the Boba Network as a core contributor to the OMG Foundation. Okay, that doesn't mean anything yet, but it will in a second. Boba is the next generation Ethereum Layer 2 optimistic roll-up scaling solution that reduces gas fees, improves transaction throughput, and extends the capabilities of smart contracts. You know, I could stop right there. You've already said enough for me to actually buy in. You said the magic words. You said Ethereum. It's the number 2 cryptocurrency in the crypto space. You said that you're improving their capability. You said that you're reducing the gas fees and the throughput. I actually could stop right there. And then you had the smart contract. I could stop right there. I could stop right there. I could ask you right now, why is this in the bottom 10 of the top 100 when Ethereum is the number 2 cryptocurrency? Folks, this is grossly undervalued. Let's just see if there's any teeth to what they're saying here. Let's just learn about Enya. What is Enya? All right, so we got Enya here. it says that Enya launches mainnet beta BOBA, okay? Scaling and augmentation Ethereum decentralized infrastructure for the next billion users. It says here that, let's see what they're saying here. Scaling Ethereum without sacrificing security. Ethereum created the first decentralized computing platform and made possible the proliferation of DeFi and NFT projects today. However, due to its limited computing capacity, Ethereum's success has also become an obstacle to its growth. And Enya is committed to creating a world where everyone in the community can participate and benefit from the growth of decentralized blockchain networks through the creation of the BOBA ecosystem. Let's dig in a little further. Our design goals: healthy and sustainable, low cost, scalable, and powerful new capabilities. What are they working on? Level up with layer 2, build on BOBA. So everything's talking about this BOBA network. What is it? BOBA network is an Ethereum layer 2 optimistic roll-up scaling solution that reduces gas fees, improves transaction throughput, and extends capabilities of the smart contract. So let's just go over here and click on this button here that says build on BOBA and see what they're talking about. So here's their big ad for the BOBA network. It says fast exit, save on gas, NFT bridging, hybrid compute, secured by Ethereum. Not your average tea party, it's a BOBA party introducing Ethereum layer 2 BOBA network. Lower the gas, faster, secured in Ethereum. Didn't I say at the very beginning of this I could stop right there? They're basically telling you what they are doing is improving the Ethereum blockchain capability. Okay, they keep saying the same thing over and over different ways. They got the little graphic over here, and now they've got the little bubbles over here saying the same thing. Save on gas, fast exit, NFT bridging, compute, secured by Ethereum. Okay, they got a half a dozen ways to say the same thing. Let's just read this little piece about BOBA, and then we're going to have a little talk here. Okay, let's just shrink this down a little bit so we can get a good look at what's going on here. So it's about BOBA. BOBA is a L2 Ethereum scaling and augmentation solution built by the Enya team as core contributors to the OMG Foundation. BOBA is the next generation Ethereum layer 2 optimistic rollup scaling solution that reduces gas fees, improves transaction throughput, and extends capabilities of smart contracts. BOBA offers fast exit backed by community-driven liquidity pools, shrinking the optimistic rollup exit period from 7 days to only a few minutes, while giving LPs incentivized yield farming opportunities. BOBA's extensible smart contracts will enable developers across the Ethereum ecosystem to build dApps and invoke code executed on web-scale infrastructure such as AWS Lambda, making it possible to use algorithms that are either too expensive or impossible to execute on-chain. They're building BOBA in a way that puts the users and developers first, and their goal is to build a pragmatic L2 that is the first step towards opening Ethereum to the next billion users. That is a very bold objective. And then they've got the docs. Folks, I'm going to go back here and go now back to our beginning and look at where Ethereum is. And we're going to have a little talk about their market cap. Now, at the beginning of this, we talked about how we were going to look at the bottom 10 cryptos in the top 100. And Ethereum is sitting here at almost $1/3 trillion. That's right, folks. Ethereum is sitting at $381 billion in market cap. And I have stated again and again and maintain that anything that's in the top 10 cryptos has the capacity to have a $1 trillion market cap. And yet we have a cryptocurrency in the bottom 100 called OMG Network that is basically claiming that they are trying to scale the capability of the number 2 crypto in the crypto space. They are trying to improve the capabilities of the number 2 crypto in the crypto space, and yet they only have $1 billion in market cap almost. They are $70 million away, okay, maybe $65 million away from having their first billion. If we go back and we look again at Ethereum, they are sitting at $380 billion, and OMG Network is sitting at $1 billion. In other words, Ethereum is worth 300 times what OMG Network is. Are you ready for my price prediction? My goodness! I have already said that Ethereum is going to be $8,000, which is pretty much almost 2 times and some change more than it is now. Folks, if OMG Network really is value added and becomes adopted as a potential chain of choice, improving Ethereum, are you ready? It is plausible that OMG Network could be a 100 times what its value is today. I'm going to say it again. OMG Network is, you'd have to have 300 times its current value to get the market cap of Ethereum. Does a $600 OMG Network sound crazy to you? I want to see your comments in the description. This is the scariest price prediction I have ever put out. It is by far my most aggressive prediction. Now, the question is when? I'm going to say that OMG Network is $600 by the year 2025. If you've enjoyed this video, please throw up the likes, throw out the shares, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Please check out the cool links in the description. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.